and welcome to Cardboard Hack number 6. Today I'm going to talk about LED lights. So what you're going to be able to do with simple materials that you have in school or at home is make a light that actually goes on with a switch. In terms of materials, very basic simple materials. You're going to need some cardboard. You'll need a pencil to poke a hole in the cardboard. You're going to need some LED lights, of course. And one of these little paper clips that can open and close like this. And you can get some electrical, sorry, mine is a disaster. Hopefully yours is a little bit more organized. But electrical conductive tape. This particular stuff is nylon, and I got it at Brown Dog Gadgets is on a website. But you can also use just regular copper conductive tape that you can get on Amazon or at Home Depot. So for this project, I'm going to incorporate a light switch into an activity. So here is a house, a house that I created beforehand. I poked a hole in the top of the cardboard. I split the positive and the negative, and then I created with copper wire a circuit. I put one wire down below to the bottom of the cardboard, and then I placed the battery on top of it, and then I continued the conductive tape above the battery, and then I taped it all together so that this is a complete positive to negative circuit already. And I took the other side of the LED light and I carried also downward the electrical conductive tape. So the only thing that is, so this is already continuous. And the only thing that I did is I brought the conductive tape up to the top right where the switch is. I put a little door on here, so as the door opens and closes, you're actually completing the circuit. So for this activity, rather than just having them make a simple circuit on a piece of cardboard, we include storytelling. So what I did is I already pre-created part of a house. I'm going to attach the top at the front of the house. To the back of the house. And here we have our little house, and what we did is we went through storytelling. So the story here was that this is a house for someone who's hearing impaired, so they can't hear the doorbell, but they wanted to know when somebody came into the house. So we put the house over here and the fence over here, and somewhere I have a little character. And if this character comes in, they can't open, whoops, you guys can't see that. Here we go. So if the character is coming in and they can't get into the house, they open the gate, and that alerts the person inside the house that somebody has entered. Do a project like this over just doing a simple paper circuit and teaching kids the electrical component. Well, by incorporating it into a project like this, it increases the engagement, it increases the authenticity of the experience of why we create circuits, and it really gives kids an opening into the window of why one would become an electrical engineer. It's not just about the circuit, it's about why you're creating, why you're problem solving, and how what you do is important in the world around you. So you're taking a simple, relatively simple mathematical or physics lesson, and you're really bringing design thinking into it, creativity, and you're upping the engagement tremendously. And you're not going to get kids going home at the end of the day saying, why did I even do that? What does that have to do with the real world? So that's the beauty of something like this and project-based learning.